Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to turn on and make a whitelist for your server on Minehut. So there's actually two ways or three ways that you can do this. The first way is to go down into the settings. So first you go to My Servers and then you would click on the server that you want to manage, click Manage Server, and scroll down into Game Settings, and here you're going to find Whitelist. So there's going to be just a tab that says Whitelist, and we can just go ahead and change this to enabled, and then we would just go ahead and select save changes, and it will say that the settings have been changed. In order for these to actually take effect, you would have to restart the server. If you want to avoid restarting the server, you can go into the console tab here, and you can go over here, and the first thing you're going to want to do before you turn the whitelist on, and this is probably quite important, is to run the command whitelist add and then your username. So in my case it would be Olectralab. So now I am added to the whitelist, and as you can see it says player is already whitelisted, so you'll get that message if you have successfully been whitelisted. Now to turn the whitelist on, you can just go ahead and type the command whitelist and then space and then just type on, and it will now change it to whitelist is now turned on. And this will make it so that no players can join except for the players that are listed on the whitelist. So you have to specifically do, if you're in game it would be /whitelist add and then player name, or if you're in the console it's just whitelist add and then the player name. And I do believe that capitals and underscores and that all have to be added as well. You have to get the username exactly right. And that's how you enable the whitelist for a server. Now, no one should be able to join. If people are still joining and still able to join that aren't on the whitelist, then the fix for this would just be to restart it. So normally if you go into the settings and you change any of these settings over here, you're going to have to go ahead and restart the server in order for the changes to take effect. In the console, normally this isn't the case because you're essentially acting as a player and you can just go ahead and run the command and it should automatically update. If there is still error with random people joining the server, then you can just go ahead and restart, and that should fix it. And that concludes how to enable a whitelist on your Minehut server. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.